Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today we've got another recipe creation for El Yucateco Hot Sauce. Stay tuned for the Smoky cheesesteak sandwich coming up right now. Let's get started making a little sauce creation that I came up with. So we're going to start with some chipotle peppers. Now we're going to add some cilantro. Just about a handful. We've got some Mexican crema, and we are going to really kick this up with some El Yucateco Red. So I'm going to go with about 2 tablespoons. Let's give this a taste. That is spot on. Nice and creamy from the crema. We've got some of that smoky flavor, and there's a real nice kick from that El Yucateco Red. Now I'm going to get this sauce into a bowl, let it chill in the fridge while we get outside to the griddle and put this sandwich together. I'll meet you outside. Okay, olive oil down. Spread that around. And let's get this onion softened up. And a little salt, pepper, and garlic on these onions. Okay, my onions are about halfway done. So what we're going to do is move these over to the low heat side. And now very thinly sliced ribeye. Some salt, pepper, and garlic on this ribeye. The steak cooks very quickly and it smells absolutely glorious. Steak, meat, onions. Onions, meat, steak. Now I have a piece of bread here that I coated with some olive oil, some garlic powder, and some chili powder, and we're going to give this a light toast. Very good. Okay, those of you that watch my channel know that I have a tendency to overdo things, and I'm not going to disappoint in this video either. We're going to add some more steak on top of this, and some more cheese. We're going to get some nice meltiness going on here. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. And it is time to pile this bad boy high. We're going to place our bread on top. And just look at that. Take a look at that bad boy right there. All right, now let's get this inside and finish this off. This thing is a monster. It smells so delicious and beautiful, and it's time to finish it off with the sauce that we made. As soon as I pour that sauce on there, I'm getting that smokiness, I'm getting that cilantro, and it's just blending in with the steak and these onions. The smell is so good, I can't wait to see how it tastes. All right, it's time to slice into this bad boy and give it a taste. Hopefully I can keep this together. I overdid it like I always do. It's cool. All right. I want to thank El Yucateco again for making this video possible. And I'm going to enjoy this taste test. This thing is just oozing everywhere. Here we go. Cheers. All right, no joke. That may be the best sauce contraption that I have ever made. I'm going to urge everyone that watches this video to try this recipe. I'll put all the details down in the description. The steak, the sauce, the cheese, the bread with the chili powder and the garlic powder and the olive oil, everything comes together. You can taste all of this. And to me, this is absolutely perfect. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you all on the next episode.